So guys, for the first step, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download the core chip semiconductor USB to Ethernet adapter. It's going to be down below in the description. Even though it says Windows 7, it's still going to work for Windows 10 and for Windows 11. Just get the first one on the list. It's going to be 30 KB. Click on download, and then once this comes up, you want to click on the link right here. It's now going to start downloading. Now you want to right click on it and then click on show in folder. We should now be in our downloads folder with this cabinet file. And then once we're here, we're going to make a new folder. So you want to right click on the blank space and then click on new and then click on folder. Just call it anything you want. And now we're going to open up the cabinet file. You should be seeing 3 files right here. Highlight all of them, right click, extract. Go to your downloads folder and then open up the folder and then click on extract. Now we're going to go back. Let's open up folder. You should now be having these 3 files right here. Next, we're going to go to search. You want to type in device manager. Click on it. Make sure that your USB to Ethernet adapter is plugged in. Now you want to expand other devices. I don't have it on my screen, but in your case you want to find other devices and you want to expand it. Now you want to find your USB to Ethernet adapter. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver. And then click on browse my computer for drivers. And then select browse. You want to find that folder. For me it's in my downloads folder. Click on the folder and then click on OK. And then click on next. Continue with the installation and then the problem should be fixed. You should now have it installed. After you click on next, it should now complete the installation.